So hello guys, in today's video we are going to see how you can make Nova Launcher look and behave like Google's Pixel Launcher. So without any further delay, let's get into video. First, head to the Play Store and install all necessary apps required. All the files links are given in the description. Next, head to your home screen and Nova will ask you to choose your initial layout. Here, tap the Browse button, then head to your device's download folder and select the layout file you downloaded. Now, tap the widget placeholder at the top of the main home screen, then tick the box next to Always Allow and press Create on the pop-up. If you have problems with this part, make sure the Google app is installed and up to date. Now, you'll want to replace the grayed out icons on your dock with whichever apps you prefer, and at that point, you'll be all set. Nova's home screen, app drawer, search feature, folders, gestures, and leftmost page are now perfect replicas of their Pixel Launcher counterparts. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.